putting in a 6-foot lift station on the lake. Show you what we're doing. We got an open French drain. We're catching all the water on the side of this house. And we got the downspouts tied into it too. They were getting water under the crawl. So we got open French drains on both sides. So when you put curtain drains around a house like this and you go below the slab that it's set on, there's half this house is a crawl, the other half is a slab. Then we've already repaired the sod in this location, but we ran the downspouts and a 6-inch perforated or 6-inch yellow. Then we connected it to a 6-inch solid. And then we tie this into the lift station as well and pump the water out into the lake. For draining lake lots in southeastern Michigan, give us a call.